Okay, let's do this. Hi everyone, I hope you're all well and having a great day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to be bringing you some DIYs using items that I picked up from Poundland, and they're all going to be themed around Christmas, of course. These are DIYs that you can actually do using items from Poundland, of course, or items that you might have around your house. Okay, so before I get started with these lovely DIYs, if you're new here, my name's Amanda. I post weekly videos on lifestyle DIY, motherhood, and a little bit of everything really. So if that's your vibe, do hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you on board. And if you enjoyed this video, these Poundland DIYs, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified of when I post my new videos. I'm actually sitting in my bedroom today, and just saw I just lit my lovely candles. Hope you can appreciate my lovely background that I've created for you guys. And I've got a nice warm chamomile tea going on in this mug here. Lovely owl mug, if you can see that there. Lovely, gorgeous, autumnal, Christmassy kind of theme, I would say. Have a sip of that, keep me nice and calm. So let's get to this video. Okay, so let me show you some of the items that I'm going to be using to create these DIYs. Okay, so I've got 4 sprays of these glitter ball foliage, which are absolutely gorgeous. These are from Poundland. I've also got one of these white wicker circle things, and one of these fish bowls or cocktail bowls. A couple of packs of faux snow. Some washi tape. Some fluffy polar bears. A pack of mini Christmas trees. A pack of 3 baubles. Some glitter stick-on numbers and letters. However, I might just be using the letter ones. Then I've got my miniature decorations, which you probably would have seen on my last haul. I'll link it up here if you haven't seen that video. Okay, so the first project, I'm going to be using this wreath and a couple of stems from these foliage beads and maybe some other bits as well. Okay, so I'm going to put everything else down onto the floor and start with this first project for you guys. All exciting stuff going on right now. Okay, so put those down as well. Okay, so I'm going to start with this. Now I do have something else which is not from Poundland. I'm going to actually include in this project, which is this larger wicker wreath. Now I didn't actually buy this in Poundland. I got this from Home Sense a few years back, but it actually works perfectly with this project. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the smaller ring and just push it inside of the larger ring and just literally push it in. Oh gosh, I did this before and it worked. I tried it out before filming and it did work, and of course now I want to film it, it's not going to work, is it? It just keeps falling through. I think what's happened where I've tried it before is kind of weakened the wicker, but I'm going to get it right, so just bear with me. Okay, so I've managed to get it in, so this is what I was trying to achieve. Okay, so I'm just going to take some of these sprays now and just poke them through the wreath, sort of entwining it around so it all sticks into place. Now you don't have to use any glue for this project whatsoever. You just literally have to put these in a way that suits you. On the top there as well, like that. Okay, so that's my first project and it looks absolutely gorgeous using the Poundland small wicker wreaths, and these are still available in Poundland. Yes, I'm really happy how this turned out. Really lovely. That's going to go on my front door. I might add a little bit of greenery to it, I'm not sure yet, but I just absolutely love how that's turned out. So that's that. Okay, so for the next project you're going to need one of these bowls from Poundland. One of these, I think they're called fish bowls or cocktail bowls. You normally find those in the partyware section, yeah. Or you can use a glass vase or a plastic vase that you got around your house already. So I'm actually going to swap out this fish bowl. I'm going to use this glass vase that I've picked up I think I got this in IKEA a few years back, so I'm going to use this instead of the plastic bowl, but you can go ahead and use that. It does the same kind of thing. Okay, so for this project I'm using my little miniatures that I picked up from Poundland, some of the faux confetti snow, and I might have to use some glue dots just to glue these down to the bottom of the jar first. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. So I've got some glue dots here. Just going to put a couple underneath each of these miniatures, and then just stick them, whoops, it is glass, and just stick them down into the glass like so. I've only had to use 2 glue dots on each of these little miniatures, so that's going to go there like that. You don't have to use glue dots, but the glue dots come in handy so the miniatures don't move around inside the actual bowl. As you can see, I've already created a lovely Christmas centerpiece just using those little miniatures. So I'm just going to finish it off now with some of this faux snow. I'm going to sprinkle it all in like so. You do get quite a lot of that in the bag, so I'm just going to shake it around like that. My polar bear's a little bit lost in there, bless him. And that's it. So very, very simple, very easy to do. As you can see, this looks so beautiful. And what I might do, I might just put some fairy lights around this later on when I display it downstairs in the living room. For our Christmas display. So yeah, loving that. Yeah, so look how gorgeous this looks. Absolutely amazing. This is just a jar that I had around the house that I wasn't using. You can easily create the same thing using one of these. So I might actually use this for another DIY. I have got a few things from Poundland that I can DIY, so I might use that for something else as well. But this, I just absolutely love it. Okay, so there you have it, and this is project number 2 or DIY number 2. Absolutely love that. Okay, so the next project, I'm going to be using these baubles. I've actually picked up 3 of these in Poundland for £1. Amazing. I'm going to do 3 different ones, so you're actually going to be getting like 5 DIYs in this video. So the first one, of course, I'm going to need a bauble and some of the faux snow, one of these miniature Christmas trees, and I might use some of this washi tape. Okay, so for the first bauble, I'm going to use one of these Christmas trees. You get a pack of 5 Christmas trees in Poundland for £1, which is absolutely amazing value. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to attach some glue dots to the bottom of the Christmas tree so I can secure it into the bauble. Because with this, I have to put the Christmas tree on the seam of where this opens. So when it's hanging, it's actually in the right position. Okay, so that's a good tip there. So I've got to pull it halfway in and halfway out, like so. You can see that. Yeah, then I'm just going to fill it up with some of the snow. And I forgot to say, I've actually got some of this metallic beads as well. This is in the Christmas section in Poundland, and you get so many in here. So I'm just going to put a couple of those in there as well to give it a little bit of sparkle. Just going to seal it back up. Seal it all up like so, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of sellotape, clear sellotape, just to make sure that doesn't actually open up. And there you have it. You have your Christmas tree snowflake bauble. Gorgeous. Okay, so for the next bauble, I'm going to be using some of this faux snow again, some beads, some glitter. All of these items are from Poundland, and also some of these glitter stick-on letters. Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to put some of the snow inside. Put some of the snow inside the bauble, maybe halfway, and then I'm just going to add some of the beads like before. and then add some glitter. These ball bells are great. You can do endless DIYs with these. Honestly, as I'm doing it, I'm thinking of more ideas. But because it's acrylic, you can actually just shake it, and then the glitter will stick onto the inside of the ball bell to give it that kind of effect. So make sure it's properly sealed up first before you shake it. Just going to add a little bit of tape just around the sides there. It's turned out really lovely. That's the effect that I was after. That's brilliant. So then I'm just going to take these stick-on letters, which you can actually find in Poundland in the stationery section. Now these letters are absolutely amazing. You can use them for endless DIYs as well. So I'm just going to put my own initials on there, or maybe my name, around the ball bell. So you can put Amanda, or I can put Mummy. I'll put Amanda. Just pop it all the way around there. Like so. I'm just attaching it on. Don't know if you can see that. My name is quite a long name when it comes to these DIYs. I probably should have just put Mummy, but I just wanted to give you an idea of how this looks. The good thing about these, you can actually take them off and replace them with something else. Okay, so that's my own personalised ball bell there. It's got my name on it. You can see that. And I absolutely love it. Now these letters come in gold as well as silver. You can also pick up the numbers as well in Poundland. And they've also got some of the, you know, like the @ sign, the hashtag, and the and sign. So, you know, you can do so much with those. But that's my personalised ball bell there. Okay, so for the last ball bell, I'm going to be using some of this faux snow again. Yes, some of the faux snow. I've mixed it with some of the glitter as well. You can see that. Whoops. I'm going to add some of the beads as well. And I'm going to add more of the snow. I need it to be quite a lot going on in there. And then just close it all up. And so I'm going to seal it up with some sellotape just on the ends there. I'm just smoothing it out with my fingers. Give it a shape, very similar to the one that I've done my initials on. But with this one, I'm just going to use a Sharpie pen. And I'm going to write on there, Merry Christmas. I might have to go over it a bit to make that pen really stand out. But it's looking absolutely fantastic at the moment. There you have it. So there you have it, Merry Christmas going on there. And then I'm just going to finish it off with some black ribbon. I'm just going to loop it through the ball bell like so. Tie a little knot in it. And you're good to go. So there you have it. Happy how these have all turned out, you know, really happy. These baubles are absolutely amazing. You can do endless DIYs with them. These DIYs, I will say they're quite straightforward. I've done it this way just so everyone can get to do them. You know, you can actually buy these DIY baubles online as well if you can't find them in any of the budget stores. But you know, 3 for £1 in Poundland, you really can't go wrong. So I've just swapped the raffia for this black organza ribbon, and I must say these are looking so stunning, absolutely stunning. So there we have it. So you've got the 3 baubles. There you go, Amanda. And then this one that's got the Christmas tree inside. I absolutely love this one. And then on this one, which I've just written on it, Merry Christmas. Absolutely love that. These are going to look amazing on our Christmas tree. Now, I have got some DIYs planned I'm going to be doing with little Oakley as well. So we might do a few more of these. But yeah, so that's it, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to show you all the items again. So this is the first project just here. Absolutely stunning. Then the second project, or my second DIY, using the Poundland circular wreath just there. And then these lovely beads that I also picked up in Poundland. I love that. And then thirdly, my 3 baubles. So that's my DIYs done. I really hope you like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Got quite a few DIYs planned and some amazing content for Christmas as well. So keep tuned for that, and thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Take care. Bye.